The School of Liberal Arts at Bennett University had organized an international conference on artificial intelligence, privacy and governance. In partnership with the Institute for New Economic Thinking and its Young Scholars Initiative, this event has brought together leading experts to explore the profound societal, ethical and governance challenges posed by artificial intelligence. As AI is starting to shape almost every aspect of our lives, the conference focused on urgent need for its development to respect privacy, promote creativity and safeguard individual freedoms. On the second day of this international conference, panel discussions covered critical issues like data privacy, surveillance, the economics of AI and how AI is shaping creative expression and social governance.
As AI is starting to shape almost every aspect of our lives, the conference focused on the urgent need for its development to respect privacy, promote creativity and safeguard individual freedoms. On the second day of this international conference, panel discussions covered critical issues such as data privacy, surveillance, the economics of AI and how AI is shaping creative expression and social governance.
It's excellent to be here at Bennett University, especially this panel which was organized on a larger conference around AI, privacy and governance. I think this is a issue which is ripe for discussion, and INET also, which is a co-organizer here, has brought people who have expertise, who work in this area. The student body has been very interactive and I found the entire experience to be very, very insightful. So I think when we step towards artificial intelligence and think about any kind of privacy concerns which are happening, we have to think about what does privacy mean, and the Supreme Court of India in the case Puttaswamy judgment in 2017 very clearly set it out. The kind of harms which result from artificial intelligence also need to be accounted for with the potential benefits the technology provides, and I think our lawmakers need to come out with a national policy on AI which needs to be updated annually at the very least.
Given the concentrated nature of AI firms and the high fixed costs involved, raising high entry barriers, governance should be manageable, as the government only deals with a few firms. However, these firms have a significant capacity to influence government machinery, raising questions about how easy or difficult it will be to protect privacy.
No, I think this was excellent. It was very helpful. The panelists were great. And the fact that technology issues were discussed in Liberal Arts University is also very important, because not only is technology going to be a part of all aspects of education and work, but also that items like liberal arts are going to be a very important driver in how technology is shaped and delivered in the future. So convenience given by AI is obviously very high, and the downside is that it uses a lot of information that may be very private to you.
Today's discussion also explored the aspect on how we can keep our interior or privacy inaccessible to others. Given the low cost of privacy infringement, it is reasonable to assume privacy is already compromised.
Any such conference, particularly on emerging areas like AI, like privacy, are very important, particularly for the young generation who are well conversant with the usage of this technology but do not fully understand the harms. The government has time and again been emphasizing that while AI is important for the country, for the productivity, for the governance, the use always has to be ethical.
Interestingly, the conference also covered the aspect of how can individuals truly experience their creativity in the era of artificial intelligence.
One of the purposes of this conference was to tell students that they have to become very creative. You know, most of the coding work will be done by AI, so they have to become a good storyteller. You know, and what is needed for them to become a good storyteller? They have to have a very deep sense of self. You know, that is going to help them become a good storyteller. So that was the message for the young generation, that our privacy is getting infringed, and if you are not careful, then your emotion, your creativity is going to get impacted.
Through keynote addresses, panel discussions, and academic presentations, the event provided an interdisciplinary platform for thought leaders to discuss how AI can be developed responsibly, ensuring it serves humanity's best interests. Bureau Report, Times Now.